To build a base course and retaining wall with anchor products, you'll need a hammer, chisel, string, drainage aggregate with no fines, rubber mallet, carpenter's level, gloves, and safety glasses. For the base course, use a hammer and chisel to remove the rear lips from blocks needed for the course. Place the first block in the trench and check the level in both directions with a carpenter's level. Tap with rubber mallet to level block as needed. Place additional base blocks side by side on the prepared base, continuing to check the level. Repeat this process to the end of the base course. As you add courses, be sure to maintain running bond. Simply place the units in a staggered relationship to the course beneath, and pull each unit forward until the rear lip is securely in contact with the units below. Backfill each course with drainage aggregate extending 6 inches behind the wall. Remember that organic soil or clay-type soil is not recommended for backfill material. Continue building the wall until you reach the desired height.